Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel SalesforceHunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to show you how to show toast event wrapper in Visualforce page. Right, so Spring 19 release toast message we can show under the web page framework. Before that we cannot show this toast message. Right, so we can see this implementation step by step. Okay, so keep in touch and please watch this video until end. If you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started without any further delay. So now you can see the title as well here, like starting Spring 19 release toast message we can show under the web page framework. Before that we cannot show this toast message. So here let me log in into the Salesforce environment. Now you can see I'm just logged in into my org, and now how to create the web page, so you know very well, and there are so many ways to create the web page. So right now I'm using developer console, so just open this developer console. Once you open this developer console, just you have to click on this file menu. Let me close all the things, like all close tabs, and here just focus on that like file icon or file menu. Under this file menu we have to create a new Visualforce page. So how to do that? Just new, and now you can see Visualforce page options. Right, so just click on this Visualforce page, and now let me enter the page name. Let's say ShowToast VF, so Visualforce page. Right, so this is the our page name. So just let me click on this OK button. Now you can see our page is created now. So before starting this Apex page, so first of all, if you want to use this Visualforce page under the lightning, so you have to implement that is called lightning style sheet. It should be true, otherwise you will not get any styling from the SLDS. Right, so let's say lightning style sheets, it should be true always. After that you have to use like Apex form, because I need this form, because under this form we have like command button. Right, so under here like Apex form, under this Apex form we have like Apex command button, because I need button of click. I want to show this toast message, so that is the requirement here. So under here like Apex command button, and you can give the value anything as you want. Let's say in my case like so I want to give this value here, so you can see, and I want to maintain one method or one event here that is called onClick in JavaScript, and just you have to create this event. Let's say so toast. Right, and this is the method, and we can use this method under script tag. Okay, so our form is ready with the button, and now under this Apex page we have to write our script. So how to write the script? So just under this script tab, like script. Right, if you want to write JavaScript under VF page, so this is the way to write the script tag. Right, so under script we have to write our functions. So how to write the functions? So simple, in JavaScript we can write the function like this, function keyword, and what is the name of the event? So you can see like ShowToast, just paste it here, and after that you can give the body of this event, this functions, we can say that. Right, so how to maintain and how to create this toast message here? So Spring 19 we have already have like SForce. Right, this object like SForce.1, this is the object. Under this object we can show our toast message under the lightning. This is the way. So SForce.1.showToast, this is the event or method ShowToast. Under this ShowToast we have to maintain like key value paired. So how to do that? So under here we have to give first of all like title. So what is the title? It's a key value pair, it's an object here. Right, so let's say success. Okay, success. After this comma you have to give message. What message you want to show in the toast message? Let's say record save successfully, something like that. Right, so here you can see, and after that you have to give like type. which type of toast you want to show. So I want to show only success, so that's why I'm using like type is success here. So our toast message functionality is done. Now it's time to save this page. So let me save this page and let's see any error is happened or not. Okay, so now you can see successfully saved. And how to use this page into the lightning, just first of all you have to save it, and if you want to formatting it, control all shift and tab, so it's automatic format your code here in developer console. So here this is the trick to show toast message under the lightning. But how to use this functions, or we can say that this page under lightning app builder page, so just focus on that. So I just created this page like show toast message. So to verify, so we have to open like setup. So under this setup you have to search, that is called here like Visualforce page, like Visualforce page. Okay, like Visualforce page. So just click on this Visualforce page and you can see lots of Visualforce page here. Okay, so here you can see like ShowToast VF, right? So just click on this page and just click on this edit, and don't forget it like this option. If you uncheck this option, so you cannot show any toast message under the lightning app builder page. So you have to check this checkbox first, and let me save it. This is the configuration part, right? So just save it. Once you save it, now it's time to use this page under the lightning app builder page, right? So just click on this gear icon, click on this edit page, and once you click on this edit page, now you can see different types of component like standard, custom and custom manage. So just click on this standard, and here you will be see like Visualforce page. So just come here, scroll down. Now you can see the options here. Let me highlight this so it's easy to find out you. So here you can see this Visualforce page, right? So just drag and drop this Visualforce anywhere as you want. Let's say here, and I want to show this Visualforce page, and just you have to change this Visualforce page. So I have only two VF page, so that's why you can see like first page and so toast VF page. So our page is like so toast VF page. So just click on this so toast VF page, and if you need some like height and pixels based on your need, so you can change it based on your need. So just click on this save button right now. Once you save it, just go back, because I already activated this page, so no need worry about like every time you have to activate this page. So here you can see like title, our web page title, and now you can see the button, right, like so. So once you click on this button, you will be see one toast message here. So just let me click on this so toast. Now you can see success record successfully created, right? So here you can see the toast message. Same thing you can implement, and we already have under the Quora and Lightning Web component, right, this functionality. If you want to take this functionality from like LWC Quora under VF page, so you can implement like sforce.1, and you will be see different kinds of toast message. So this is the for success. Let me modify that page for warning, info or error, right? So here just what we need to do, here we have to create one more button, like two buttons more, right? So let's say this is success. Let me change the value success, this is error, and this is warning, like this one, right? And also you have to change it. So let's say so toast error and so toast warning. Also you can change it here. Let's say success, meaningful name, always give meaningful name, right? So toast success, you can use it here, so toast success. And now again we have to do same method for these two like variant. So just copy this method, paste it here, paste it here. Now we have to do like just change the method name for here, right? So here you can see the error, like error record failed, something like that. Let me remove this one, and it's a error variant. right? Same thing you can apply for the warning as well. So just let me copy this method name warning and record warning, something like that. You can show any type of message based on your need. In my case, I am using like this, record warning, like this, and here type should be like warning, right? Now you can see our 3 method is ready. Now it's time to check it, so it's working or not, right? So once you save it, right, so just you have to do what, just check it's working or not. Just refresh this page, and once you refresh it, so you will be see 3 types of buttons like success, error, and warning, right? So let me click on this success first of all. Now you can see the green one. Let me click on this error. You can see the error. Let me click on this warning. So you can see different types of toast message, right? You can configure based on your need, like variant, duration, or sticky, something like that, okay, as you know very well. So just click on this success again, error, warning, like you can see 3 messages here, right? So this is the way to implement like toast message under the web page lightning app builder page, right? So one more thing for you, if you don't know, so let me explain it. So if you want to show these 3 buttons under the mobile application, so first of all just click on this gear icon, and we will see this 3 buttons under the mobile application. Like if you are using like mobile application, like mobile Salesforce application, so you have to log in first, and then you will be see all the toast messages under the mobile. So how to configure that? So under the quick find, just first of all you have to search like tabs, because I need to create web page tab. So here you see like tabs, so just click on this tabs, and now it's time to create the, here you can see Visualforce tabs. So just click on this new, because we have 4 types of tabs, that's why I'm using this web page. So you have to search web page, let's say ShowToast. So you will be see here ShowToast VF, right? Label, okay, so we have some problem because it's not added like this checkbox. So first of all we have to edit this checkbox or check this checkbox like this one, otherwise you will not see this one. So just let me save it. So now you can see checkbox is checked. Now you have to search here, that is called Salesforce navigation, right? So Salesforce navigation, you will be see like Salesforce navigation. Just click on the Salesforce navigation, and now you can see ShowToast demo, right? So just select this ShowToast demo here and save it. So if you are using like mobile application under the Salesforce, so you can see this toast message and toast web page in the tab bar, okay? So I don't have any like online mobile Salesforce mobile application here, so I just tried into my mobile, so I cannot show you because of some simulator problem. So you can check it into your side, it will be work, definitely 100% work. I checked it. So this is how we can work on this web page using this kind of sforce.1 object, and we can show different types of toast message based on our need. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is a very most useful content, so please don't be hesitate, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.